Hello everyone, welcome to my crochet channel. Today's tutorial is for a quick and easy project that you can make in about 20 minutes. It is a leaf bookmark that I crocheted using 100% mercerized cotton yarn. Those of you who have been following my channel for a while know that my favorite yarn to crochet with in summer is Yarn Art Begonia, and this is the yarn that I used for this bookmark. This yarn comes in a huge variety of colors. One skein has 50 grams or 185 yards. This is a Turkish yarn, but you can find it for sale on Amazon. This is the kind of project one might want to make as a last-minute crochet gift. Or if you do craft fairs and markets, this is a great little item that you can make a whole bunch of in a short time, using a small amount of yarn, and it would be a great low-cost addition to your crochet inventory. Or you simply might want to make this bookmark just because. Just because it's almost summer and it's fun to crochet something cute and whimsical. But you can also use this leaf as a decoration for other crochet projects. It doesn't have to be a bookmark. It can be an applique for a little girl's summer hat or a cushion cover or whatever it is you want it to be. There are tons of possibilities. You can make this bookmark in one solid color, and by the way, it doesn't have to be green, or you can experiment and combine different colors. It's really up to you and your creativity. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I'm really trying to go a bit slower in my videos, so please do give me a feedback on that. Thank you and happy crocheting! I start with 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I join them into a ring with a slip stitch, making the slip stitch into the first chain. Next, 1 chain, and now I will be crocheting into the ring, and as I crochet, I will crochet over this yarn tail, the short yarn tail, so it gets hidden under the stitches. Into the ring, I work 3 half double crochets. So yarn over, that's 1 half double crochet, 2, 3. Next, 3 double crochets, yarn over, 1, 2, 3, and now 3 trebles, so yarn over twice, 1, 2, 3. Next, 2 chains, 1, 2, and now I'm going to work the same stitches but in reverse order. First, 3 trebles, yarn over twice, 1, 2, 3, and I push the stitches so there is room to make all of them. Next, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and now 3 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3. So that's the first round of my leaf. Doesn't have a nice shape just yet, but it will get better with the following rounds. And now I can just cut off this short yarn tail so it doesn't get in the way. I continue crocheting next round without joining. Over here I have 3 half double crochets, and into each one of them I make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Next over here 3 double crochets, and into each one again I make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Next I have 3 trebles, and into each one of them I will make 2 single crochets. So 1, 2, and into the next one 1, 2, and into the next one 1, 2. Next over here is chain 2 space, and into this space I work 2 single crochets, 1, 2, then 2 chains, 1, 2, and 2 more single crochets, 1, 2. Over here I have 3 trebles, and into each one of them I work 2 single crochets, 1, 2, into the next one 1, 2, and into the next one 1, 2. Next I have 3 double crochets and 3 half double crochets, and into each one of them I simply make 1 single crochet. So now I have 2 rounds finished. And again I continue crocheting without joining. Into each stitch around I will simply make a single crochet. And into the next chain 2 space right here I work 2 single crochets, 1, 2, then 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the same chain 2 space 2 more single crochets, 1, 2. And now on this side of the leaf I simply make a single crochet into each stitch. And now I'm going to join the round with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. So the leaf is now ready, and next I'm going to work the cord or the tail of the bookmark. I make 67 chains. 1, 2, 3. I made 67 chains, and now into the 5th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I make a slip stitch. So I have a small ring formed over here. Next, I make a slip stitch into the next chain, and I turn my work this way because now I will be crocheting into this small ring. So into the ring I work 2 single crochets, 1, 2, then 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, and now 2 double crochets, 1, 2. Next, 1 chain, and I work the same stitches but in reverse order. 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, and 2 single crochets, 1, 2. And I join the round with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. And now I have a little shape that looks like a teardrop. Now I'm going to continue crocheting into the chain, and into each chain I simply make a slip stitch. I have these 2 stitches quite loosely. I don't like them, so I'm gonna undo them and make them a bit tighter. So I simply gonna make a slip stitch into each chain across. Here is my cord. Now I make a slip stitch into the leaf and I fasten off. I cut the yarn tail. Now I'm going to use a tapestry needle to hide the yarn tail. On the wrong side of the leaf, I'm going to make a few stitches to hide the yarn tail. And now I can simply cut it off. And once your bookmark is finished, you can either press it with an iron or use a steamer to straighten the stitches.